Nana Danko Kufuado 6.7. John Dramani Mahama 6.2. Now Ochastaposuno after 4 years. Now Baumianya 4.1. Now Mahama nya 6.3. Now Chesa Ushemwa Mampeni John Mahama. One more moto abama no 2020 no. Obie no ha onunu. Omu nyina sa akotoi. No wie no masade 63,000 votes as aka no. Eti the win ni nyina no. The onyaka 2021 63,000. Nanso so ohwa wonya 56% of the vote. Adentra. Nipa almost 2.1 million. Etifri na nado de na onya no so. 2.1 million. Tibaumia, Ibima described him as a victim of circumstance. Wababe top amna. But Ibi so kasa wonso so ka ho bi. Woni na nado nyina na bu man no. Until you cannot be. Say you are not complicit. You are part of it. Etina ehwo dema no. Obe kan say. Chama won to me so omokoye introspection of Red Council of Elders ne party penifo so omontrase. No munhwe. So oniema frigu a oye dey. Ohu se ne obesi ahyehye no. Dem oniema we de ehwegu. Na ehwegu asase pese so asegu amenem. Amana no so edonko mo wo kwan twa. Because 185 to 86 MPs na ekogu na hyebeja fie no. Omu hia MPP fo ansa no afa adwene. MPP fo kɔjom salary omu nkoda. Nti na omu frɛ John Mahama supreme leader. He controls parliament. You see how supreme leader so the nka Iran for ne frɛ omu president supreme leader. Ni nyina ne sɛ sisi ha no. The only thing meaning so Mampeni John Mahama enye ne sɛ obɛka kyerɛ parliament say omukwaso samra no ntena so bio. Sa attempt no ena nipa bebre suro se ahwe but eno so de can him say nke japa na beto man mu because other presidents will be a try e ko fan sem bebre bai. No Mampeni John Mahama I know he's a Democrat, he will not do that, but so kaso obeye so a obetuma ye e wo man mu because a man want to here to test majority. To test majority in parliament 184. Wabroso. A plus is added the account. I'm not 186, 87. They are looking at 189 seats in parliament. In the MPP, 85 as a 90 now mubenyano. So munya 90 gra and pasoniso. Just a munya 93. Just a NPP nya 93 seats. It doesn't give NDC to test majority again. 93 no kofano way. From 2.1 votes difference. 2.1. Yeah. Mame kwa homano so na many Rashid computer and come on. Rashid, good morning. Rashid. Hello, Rashid. Hello, Rashid. Good morning. Edem na. Ma Kevin mehe mai. Sibenya Rashid na kasa. A deputy director of election. Emma NDC. Hello, Rashid. Good morning. Kevin. I don't pay mama the gym. It's about 20 nyina ko we say NDC. Let's see the majority seats in parliament. They are anticipating about 189 seats. Bebre aye in contention. Damangu say omoje kan omo seats ho. But I bet you just say Jinapo awini. Rashid, good morning.
Good morning, Ajay.
Hey, congratulations. You fought a good fight. Makonko Dane.
Just me country out that. Sunday now interview me country say a few idea. Now me so only 40% ya or ya dear. I didn't take to pass.
Aye, okay. O say onya 40 kra na nyame na aye. Onya 41.
No, almost say onya 41.
Aye.
He's lucky. That's what I'm saying. He's lucky to have gotten that. Because to run the strategy, what is just coming back to teach them a different lesson. Come say, NDC way different from previous NDC people. Because Nemanu ne kwaye strategy plan bia put it in place. There was no way to get less than NDC. But
NDC 33.10% Ashanti region unprecedented.
It shouldn't be a surprise to you. Because go and play back my interview. I said this before, they were rigging. Among we apart from Ashanti region. That the movie, that in there we said their song, it's not their song. There will be big section there. We are about to.
But Rashid wouldn't be arguing to say Ashanti region. A lot of people did not vote because if you look at voter turnout of about 60% there. Yes, my brother.
When people don't, you know the reason.
They are angry.
Of course. Why wouldn't they react? With this bad government, who vote such people back again? And we put our eager eye to go and bring those ghost people out to come in. And we see. And then plan the use to go. Because we wanted to and reset the country.
Sesia seats Ben Amubetimi confirm say because so many of the seats ebi onuma Mutawakilu say near so we need Damango after everything is come out say Jinapo Aduajiri another plenum debate tan Tachiman South no other places even Ahafwano Southwest. I'm told they brought it to the regional to count the votes. Any Niama Bibri seats Ben Pa now betimi de unsesi to say way there authentic confirmed.
You see, after it's a fact in the say one way 2020, no more we have 5 seats. The same plan on the you see a few way, but you see, we allow them to get away with that nonsense in 2020. A few way, no, you see the same strategy, but they win another seat. It won't happen. That's why you are seeing all this. No more on to it's a welcoming to us. No matter what they someone adult. Even Baumia on one of the presidential candidates consider how more or less you a majority and you are in addict everywhere. We are not going to allow. You see, we should begin to let that look. Who go to about come on to more. Well, organize yourself and come back. No, we lost in 2020. We lost 2020. But you organize it, be organized. And here, have no confidence in it. So we go to as if the whole country should come to an end. What is that? Look about how they send soldiers to go for no. What video? We'll get all of them. Soldiers be piano we are not going to some recalcitrant guys who send out giving the state apparatus to behave. What is that? That's why you are of the city. They can declare.
Okay. Now, idea futu na what the mama chita for no so somehow on rampage. It's not nice. It doesn't speak well of the aftermath of elections. They now be catch chita for no to remain calm. Na yema sumjie nimra.
Oh, say no, Oman Dada John.
President elect.
Yes. He was president. That title is, and he's today president elect. What do you see? So he's entitled to that Oman. He said it in his speech yesterday, his speech. He called on everybody to restrain themselves. Our supporters should celebrate in body. They are all Ghanaians. His speech was state-manly. The way he carved the speech. In fact, he brought, I'll say, diplomacy into our government. Just like the time we are seeing currently. And then here. So we are appealing to our yes, the transition starts tomorrow. Nana, President, Excellency, or friend, and no can say the best process. It will be inaugurated tomorrow. And then after the December, the January, after that, we're not going to start. I'm not going to waste time. That's why my boss, Dr. Manebo, also accepted open yet, handle over documents. If they hadn't start putting it together properly, because we don't want to mess up things. And we are telling people, those in office, they should stop taking fast. Anybody who takes fast, collect the fast. Nobody should take fast. All these things, our boys are watching. They are watching the all of us. Don't go and take any part or shred any part. We are watching an eagle eye though. The eagle eye will use on the electoral commission. We will use it on them.
Okay. Rashid Computer Medal Siano Pay, Deputy Director of Elections. I say, Abemu, I heard no one quankos ready documents. And Fafa will be also go chef in Yanni. Na Australia Machita for say, Ajobre. And now, President elect John Dramani Mahama Kasa. And now, I say he will use the word brothers and sisters throughout. Namemum. To send a message, say, Ghana, Emra Association in Kabum, showing diplomacy and everything. But, TMB, we end this in ECCR. Emma, Wabaya Banitimunyo, the Maunko yet, Bibia, Ebeham, the beauty of our democracy. Because Boo, I'll bet me a head in there. Ubetima opposition be 8 years. Ada ebeto aba obewini no onu so ba besrawo send the MPP for bi e bia 8 years ago and 4 years ago oye NDC ni bi no wa hwe ano no so abetua oka Ghana for mfa bo ne nche sa o ti etutua na mo aye hwe ye. Okay, Olivia Kwaba now I want to say you be able to call some of my mic and a man why na more than now okay future life for Atlas no more to change more about on the 12 year they were on number worry no cut now baby na ye near tear baby I boy a brano ya boy a bra moody and yamudi and the D the ono so beba no at no position command na che ono so be didi kona memre bi e pinedo e tagara bebo sa ne fredo but say what did papa na wo yade a eno no nya your mama sebo yenko
yeah future life for yaba na I shut that so I do so
I tell you 86,000
I did pa
o ma pen ma cra born in some man
we secret admirer mama
asa
ai so
you catch there ya we che
ho
when your secret admirer
future life we need die na munya ahode na hia na mfa nso obo ade no se when di ya obe yare we yare so a obe bra yakopon frɛ wo me say da bia me kasa me ba health sector no me hu se enipa 90% ewu no e se owu die ba yakopon frɛ obi a se when di ya wa ankasa na wa frɛ wo ho enti ho de oba yetuatua onuane ankasa future life a balanced diet future life here season nas na dey future life da bia me kasa bibia de hyefo ma efifi no eno na nkwa wom eno na esi edi na ya na wabisa ho se eye den na ya na mmoa a onwuram omo kyesa we kyesa owe hahama omo wiwe enuaba ede na ma omo ahoden sa no mo mutimi di gina no nti so ho ha sorry na waye ho aboa kakra wawe hahama kakra obiefu etese ono ankasa na nsakotro mu asenti adidie bebre kura na mo nipadua no so didi bebre a wa ankasa na wo break your system no eti future life there a balanced diet so di 50 grams that's 3 days we need kura bibia anyo a balanced diet nipadua ni hia esiesie fi utinyu so kosi unase na ade ba kwa meka ho asempa
hello good morning now I want to say
I don't know my Bible.
yeah the oba dey say also was some pabi kafa future life ho ye nti wa no pay
Future life aduane bi ana me buy settle self ana me sha ase de ma no aboa me wo kwan bebre so nti me anytime bia me na ma me advert ma for say wa wo sa ya ye ni bi no sha ase to bi ma oba bo so me bia kra we nti me antokra me ensa e line de wo for so to ma kwala na ebeboa na me ba na if he says I dey no me de ma no me hu me ko hospital biem eduro no kra ya sha dan fama no aduane na no wodie
sickle cell child
okay
Mr. Sickle cell child na say onya issues you see uncle since when na uncle hospital you
first me call my me no 2 years na or kire me say do 2 years I no onya 2 years kwa no see onya 2 years me je aduro ne ma ni 2 years ya sha ase de ma no ye de ma no say ne ko hospital bibre no de David
Atima ye kese so kama
me say make me cry make me de baba ba kire mo why who na wa cry ko yem be hyew
wow
na de future life amana ye kama be te bia na ha wa ya kwala ke 20 na mentor say you say when you nya 12 years future life na no wadia no pe bia ye try
to the past 10 years
e man no pa ni enumere say anopa nko an ye de ma no
wa ye kama so
kama papa maza then haminga e ga men tweme fon fro
okay ya na nyame ase oh
the future life there will be a what a problem ne there I will say to be ma oba
me da ase opani Olivia Trust
me dey anka me pese wonya problem kura ansa na wadi akwai to say repair food obia me say you can't deceive nature unyina na wa poso gegro na ho ne nesa ebi frɛ ni foam cartilages no na ewe say repair kase ne besi kase no so na ahya ase etwitwi rough no afi ba be smooth ubetime nya bone cancer afi na so ntini bi wona kokomo na afa ato aso osa na so sisi afi na ntini nketwa na ho nya mazes ni na na eye dendenden afi ntimi nkoto enti bi sintina ho nyare ansa na wadi future life enipa from 25 years na collagen na wom ni nyina ekofo enti uhya ase di we ya de esa no na esa akosha na mu enti na fe no future life repair food eti esiesie onipadua na nkasa no muscles nipadua na nkasa esiesie no ma na ye kama ufiri ho a na afi wa ba beauty food e wonu say collagen e food beauty comes from within enye nru a obe no nom anase je we dey aduane unyina na collagen na om ni nyina ekofom obu ho a 50 years kro ho asa 90 years na nanim nyina apompono na atwentwe na ne honam no ene bi nipa bebraye mesin e wo mo dem se wamfa enema na atetare ne ho kro a wontimi mpie enti no udi sa aduane we ma we dey kama e ma we dey na ni ye hyenhyen se dey na wusa no
that's right
enti we
any o dey hyenhyen
beauty food enti bi sa no asa wo wafa powder bi na adabo wanim na won sene esa we dey ni nyina esei e na ye wo dey control sugar enti sa o ma me ana o papa e wo diabetes ana se pressure me ka senya japade na wa pressure obefa ye onuane wo ho a regulate sugar no esa regulate o pressure enti e ma asa o se fat no ko nipadua no pia na ma artist mu nyina asisi enti e wonuane a nane na ntini ni nyina eboa nipadua na ankasa emprema ya rent na wo mu omo wa prostate so ye wo ho infections so de esa meka ho asempa amasa be mema no bebre mema afomfon ayemre ntimi nya adwuma ntimi nwoba amomanya prostate problem ama be cancer de no ho agim ye wonu ma wanwaso bi wo ho a eku saamo ni nyina braya so ye ho wa fatty liver kidney problem na kidney no ama enipa bebre yare gudem misro braya so ye ho wo nan na de nante kopesika na wonsa mesi wo nyina wo ye de ebeba wapo no so nyina bewewe nkotodwo wo sisi eti ana amadu mpe bebre na acheache ebi sisi achim afi na biebie wachin kase no echim na omni nyina na asa afi na kase ni hu bra so ye de ebo da acho ba wan kasa na esa wo ye we de nya obi na ebe ya ma wo your health is your own responsibility bepenuani bi na di na ebeboa wo ebie nkwala adwum nkwala na ekosku na me se beautiful ni repair food dey say bro nya ya ye bedi so pesa wo to bibi ekoche obi a we na esa otokoche no if you say e man ahoden obetena se daada ti we kasa afi chiapa afi nkometo ya odi we dey obesa beto na afi na so wani di ye di a me se wo be wu bra nyakopon frɛ wo mo me anwe hahama wo ba ye oto apostles ho bisa ne ma obi no wa blend no wanom na me kan de ba kwa kire obi a senka anwumre bia obi abenya anka bokoboko ebi frɛ no water leaf bi frɛ no busumu adwura fa je ne ka ho na blend na nom ye blending si ho ene stroke na do so ene 25 years when so anya stroke 30 years no anya stroke me say your health is your own responsibility nyankopon de yenkwa amaye o pese udi 100 years ekutawo o pese onya 30 o and China for ni India for so onya 70 75 afa no mase o ma ba abrem ye de se ekwa asama ado de na ekoso ye ni di ye nti your health is your own responsibility mumie ni di ye fi se wa ni di ye a ubewu bra nyankopon frɛ o ye fa ho toto Daniel one o se ohine na duane na akono so ye ni ohine na duane na akono pa na one na fefo no se e bewe hahama na o se mre no duru ye no na o manim hyenche o mu nyina enti sua se ubedi aduane a e balanced diet enye se wunya scan to aduane o bi so na me ka se nam gu aduane so bebre a na me ka se o ye skani se na ye di awu mumie ni di ye wo hwe atete no na fridge ni ho akokɔ kora de beku na anasa ponche esi no koso na asa eti emfa ne ma awu bia nkɔhye fridge mu da fridge no emo kora obedi anasa anwa na yeburo nya brenti na yare ni ho saa ene de enioma awu nko na hyehyɛ fridge mu ne yedi eti ese hu se woni padua no wo ku no mumie ni di nuane a ɛyɛ fresh ni nyina yɛ hahama eno ene season nas eno de area future life se di na mo ni padua no ban wakwa ni nyina future life sie no a balanced diet entina ho nyare ansa na waba ya so ye ho me de masem no entina ho nyare ansa na waba ya so enuane no bi 55 cedis ebi 60 cedis ebi 70 cedis na na okoto milo kura be ma yare kura ono kura 60 cedis o 50 cedis 4 days no wadi awie na aduane a ebo am wanyini na de ahode asom awurade ade na pese ye mfo so ansa na waba future life nya yare for aduane ebo da ache wo ban eti bra na bepe bidi na so maame no papa o future life anya japade na waprafa na wonso wunya bi wa nkasa bo ho ban wa problem wo ha wasimetina ka mu cha na me na ase atatai betina ha cha na me na first na ntisa ye de tesa obo asimi kidney na ho ne ekofom na ote ho no no ade de petuto nunom se de me ye bi na amoa me no ene all say di ni penya all say cancer entintina ho bibia cha wo ho ana cancer de no agim
okay for numbers ni to Johnny penya
0246 01 another 01 50
0246 01
another 01 50 ba ko say 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 90 obi amra so full alignment ebi won kran ebi osunwane mamfon konongo ya to apete brane emwa fi se nkwa de
da enu anu no a oli last hour ye no no me kra me you afrim now the jawa wo fekra I was here for aka meet biensa na 8:30 as you wati ne yire ba wakoto ne yire wa kire ho na 8:30 chada so 7 de na duro won ne yire akoto aba fa ba ya wo manya bi
Onya wa wo.
Enti amanfo se ne yire na anto ama no. Amanfo se ne yire na anto ama no. Na mo so be ho se chada na anto a. Ko ya koma oba ya konya asem. Hey, about Wapa. General Eskin, sooner. Ebi yen is General Eskin in a bush on the bed, trash a four. A choir when you be. A force into Amaranto man, Tom, Mamma, Fino Mamma, one. I want no more far away. Let's let the 2 elections. I got to about now, one in the family in our got to when you be. A force into Amaranto man, Tom, Mamma. I feel no Mamma, one. Ya can't go be there so grab our active point for a dental clinic. I share a scene any home on the bar who chuma no pay omofia. Na if are mene doctor Abejo Chenkomo sounds so and Mr. Ewadakon, former chief executive officer, boss, and former chief executive officer, Tor of the National Democratic Congress. And Opamo send you kind of once about. He'll be passing through our studios this morning. I want to believe, sir, he's even in. Mami Tiominia.
But I said, na you betcha your teeth when you have a phone. Na seen the beauty to your home for no. If a more than say, be may any aquarium and yes, home. So, I know Panas will to see, I may say, fire her, na for who num, na for her sim. Na hwɛ sɛ bibia ɛkɔso yie ɛwɔ wɔnum no simu a ebia dara de no te sɛ wɔ simu ɛtwetwɛn ebia o mene nteso what sɛ bi mogya bi ɛnam mu ebia ɔtwetwe osi anopa no wahu sɛ baabi ɛyɛ ɔya emogya bi ɛɛba wo de brush no kɔfa baabi no wahu sɛ ɛhɔ nom yɛ ɔya wo ka osisi no what sɛ wɔsene baabi ɛyɛ ɔya wɔsene baabi fɛmfɛm abra wɔnum nsu anase wodidie no wɔde ahwɛ no ɛhwɛ wɔsi no wahu sɛ efi bi de da so na sɛ efi bi hyehyɛ wɔsene ntam a ɛnyɛ fɛ a ɛma wɔsinum ɛnyɛ fɛ ɛma mframa nso ntumi mfa wɔsen entokutoku no ebi nso ahwɛ no wɔsen no achange color a ɛyɛ brown ɛyɛ yellow change color from white no to other color ɛma wɔn because of our lifestyle ne sɛ wɔn nyina na sɛ family heredity no say who saa ne ma we say am say to ho na ma call dentist so na how bi a ekoso wonum e wo sim no onhwe na ontu ho na ma na onhwe na onsan emoa na ontufo e wo kwa befa so behwe wonum ene wo sin na wodi ehu ni na atimi aboa wo dada akobadie no na amoa wa amto form na say amoa wa anto ho no mebra wo sin ene wonum na say wo sin ene oral health no ho asem no enkoyie no Timeslam wani ma wanum ene wosan se be ya osori anopa be twi wosan na nwumre nso wosin twi no nya ade etweto a wo be ye na wo de akoda wo di wie bia nso afi so huru wanum na nketenkete na aka ni nyina mfifiri ofiri se no ene ya na boaboa no eye calculus no na se enyina akoye plus na akoye tata no e wo simu a se bia den kan bone e ba wo simu na ya na emmoa wo yie kura no na be bomodin so di wie nso abe floss no enkofa dua bi enkofa baa bi enkofa pra bi nko yi sim ema emoja bi empramo ne mo fa dental floss no ko pharmacy na so call dentist on ma obinya dental floss no enso bi na otwitwi osin so afa brush anu omre na fa twitwi osin na hwekwa be fa so be twitwi osin na watimi ayi sabi efi na hye wosinum nyina na afiri ho na ho ato yi pa no ma na nso ayi tinti awo dentist on brush so be twitwi osin brush anu omre na use paste fried ewo mu so anaso dentist no e bia wo ha obi na be recommend paste bi dia mawa mouthwash so a be use no say o dentist na recommend ya ma nya sa enyusu mouthwash bia keke we hon man the mouthwash no use ya na alcohol ewu me no alcohol na drying agent no e ma wonum ntasu no e dry
nti mouthwash na alcohol based na enye any engrofo
enye because
no aso na the padodo na use o
but
it also nya de
o dentist bet me recommend bia ma based on how
so say if you want to apply that you consult your dentist.
Yes.
Na Ghana, any person or dentist.
It's say only dentist are okwa no aka chom so pema for sha alcohol enim.
Okay.
Pema for sha alcohol enim. Na wa tokra na kenkan ho say alcohol enim. So the be
you
to pharmacist no mo ebeboa na and how ka chom say me pe ma for sha
alcohol free
ma for sha. And no beboa na you so no so the be ya wonum betimi ada honom na so how bi also eba onumu a watimi ehu na wadi ho dwuma se ye hwe yesen a ya na mosi no ya na tokro 32 yesim pa na tokro ya na etu yesim no ebitimi take 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years ansa wani aba ho se tokro atu wo sim na ya na eye efia ya na deda yesen so no na kakra ya na ema tokro no tu ewo yesim na yesen no how ahase se ebem na sa efia ya na deda yesen so no ene ya na ema ehonom no epro proga kakra na tokuro no atu na yesense ya teta so no wona hodo miensa ye enam abonten de no ene ye dentin ene ye pop na saa enam no den se ifi no eda so na se etumu a etu tokuro mu na bonsa kotie si dentin no na wan ndi ho dwuma wan ko dentin so amana hwe na atu akosi pop no si pop no mpe na yese wo ha no akoye kese a se wo wesa de bibia ko no bia na wo se no eye wo ya ena no so basa so a ifi ene nua na adidi ko hyehye saa tokuro no tin bonsa na eno so eden carbon ba wo no mosi ya na ye mula na ye primola no ena ya na saa oha no etaba so ye fa bet obi so no ane sen anim de no K9 ne incisor no so ya na ebitimi ebubu abra efi ahyehye ntemo amase bi honom no apro no mosi bonsa nkwara no ena ya na omu nyina ye hu saa ben penifo no so no ya na ebi so etimi ya yamye ni enko eho a eno no emo aye kura to bonsa efi no adada wosen so amatokuru atututu wosin mu a kakaka no ede ohaw ebeba wosin anim rounds no na wosin ba bi abu na wosin wose yenkotu emfiri on no so no se wa hwe no andi ho dwuma a efiri osi we ni so a na kodi edi so na kodi edi so anim rounds no na wosin nyina na tokuru tutu mu a eno ede ohaw ebra ontimi se wo so ohaw bi ahya se basa na watu ho na moko dentist so na wa hwe ede ama se ni dentist so afa active point dental clinic eya dental home na o no ene penifo na wonse no mo ma menum nyina no mombra na mommehwe mo anum ene mo se no na yenhwe ni ndi ho dwuma emfema mo bronya ebe so pese udidi na wote aduane de na wonte eya obi ai wo simu a dentist so bra active point dental na Christmas ye ma discount treatments ye ma 5 to 20% discount treatment oba be depending on treatment na be no na ye be determine discount be ma no so person onya white na oba ye betimi aye osene fe e de ama fita kama se de be ya ukọ wedding bi ukọ sorry ukọ program bi abetimi e de akose se bi efi na wo nu meden carbon ya be ja so a oba ye be hwe ne di hu dwuma so oseno e na esuabu na wo hu se ne ya ma wanim dua na sesa oba ye be fele edi amao se moja ne free wanu mu ba moja ne free osimu ba so ani nyina be di ho dwuma edi amao se wose na atu na pese yensi ebra atokro no eda so na se wose na atu na untimi pronounce words bi o ka sem bi a obi enti ade se wosan etie biem ni nyina oba ebesi wose no edi amao nto how bi e wanum e wo osimu bi se oral cancer kwa na sha se eba ni nyina oba ebetimi edi ho dwuma edi amao na se wose na keka wose na ase no na awawai ama wose na ne tete ho no mu a ni nyina oba ebehwe na how na ekoso ewo onum eni osinye di hu dwuma edi ama na ohun wato yi pa esen yare no eyen kakaka oni mraus no na kwa akoye kese nso na eka no adoso na eyaw no nso asan adoso tu hu na hyase na wasi ano kwan eni nso ye wi a ye be san cheche kwan be fa so a obedi wanum ene osin eni na entimi emwa yi pa se de be ya o how no eba ye di hu dwuma edi ama wa na ankwa kese amfa o how kese bia endiam no ntimu ananye ntintia e wo dentist so mananye ntintia e wo active point dental clinic opa ye branches na Kumasi o fantastic di nyame be ultimate radio sunya o ya bro sana be koko bodron about no oboase dunkwa junction na Konka road takwa achempem ye be DVLA office no Western Transport Accra Jolu Presby Junction Kaswa Crispo TGFM Farmer Depot no na sehwetwina Snade Sheffield Station oba ye bie adwada ekosi memre da no pa no wotwe ekosi anwumre no nsia holidays nyina so ye beba na ye hia na wo enum ne esen ha obi ar so wo ka kire na ya hwe ne edu ma dia ma number 0554 571 779 0554 571 779 ma wani nko wanum ene wose ho na wose no enya ahoden se de be ya obitimi aye de wose wo fa wose ene wanum enye.
All right, thank you very much my gentleman, enjoy your day.
Thank you sir.
Me mamu jina sa kwa ba bio na mamema Dr. Eric Kwame Boa Central University akwaba doc enti say
Nemiadum
boko ai we post election na one man who did the do he did the do in Ashanti region in the person of Wadako. Exactly a week ago, rather. Actually, a week.
Yes.
He came here and said, "Oh my, Mesa Bahabiu. Now, maybe we'll be talking about something different. Now, I can tell you, sir, this year's election, it is going to be one of the simplest and one that NDC is going to sweep her. It will shock Ghanaians. A lot of people after the elections, hey, Papa, you are so confident. The DNA Kutanoa, and you name. Era, so the Kwame. The Kwame for me, you know. Era Kwame, what I call a job in this year, my pa. Bosumi and San Nine, a share Krumadi. Oh, Hunu baby. Yes, I am grand. I'm going to pay Yanka. I'm on phone him so. They have really worked. For the first time in the history since 1992, Fourth Republican, NDC has never chalked 33% in Ashanti region. But this time, they have 33.10%. NPP, about Tuomu, 1996, Jacob for you who say Rollins a penny there. Now, military are even to the tone chain. MPP have maintained 76, 76, 73, 71. This time around, 64.5. 64. The Yakame says stronghold, World Bank, na commercial. Say, rural bank there. Now, Niema Ayu. I spoke to him many years ago, 2022.
Yes.
And he told me, Mekawaha, or say by August, the economy will crash. They will do what is called domestic debt exchange by EMFA. Normally, I took Ghana first because the borrowing was too much. They did not listen, and they cannot bring the economy back until they go to position. Or you do for and can make us a prophet. A word. Me this all here.
Who ya pa?
Breso de em say wa bre bi papa.
Ya bre papa. Only osno echo prayer there. Nya de kitwa.
Ah, to say ya odwuma yi pa.
So show sapomunsu na do wodi bibia hye ewrade nyankopon nsa. Na hona obenya ahoden ade akon no.
Ebi mo si o nyesa ma win elections na man Ghana for na Antoaba. MPP base Antoaba. Ezan say am penny joma manya just 63,000 more to 2020, you know. Enye nwanwa na MPP for na Antoaba. How would you
MPP about one of Ashanti region ewo mu mienu. The di kan kwan a omutimi di ballot papers a nipa ankoto
Mujidi
ballot box bill.
So omo ye
pa na afi we ni da ho. Nti wohun say 500,000 pre-stamped ballots bi ekopie ewo hilltop honum no. Yentimi mfa enwura sebi ballot boxes no. And na two womu nipa dodo na unse asantifo yem pe kwasiebo. Na kwasiebo na yeden adoso. Asantiman to about 2016
special duties.
To about 2020. Esign boka. Inti nkomo na eni wo mu di se yem pese asantiman yetuka ebo ekano. Yeto aba boka no. Em se to asom. Enu nti asantifo bebre na nipa bebre wo Kumasi wo ha wo mankoto de na me wan kra ye say election day na musi mu tu adwam kagetiam e ma no dodo anso ye den eto
eno mba bonte me ka say nye no kra
o ma na kagetia mimi da na eto aba na amanfo ye dwuma ho obi ankodwam dodo na ankodwam nti enyoma bebre wo ho a sebi a creative situation a creative but no credit that hopa na say even seka asante mankra nipa no beto ye ema oma 57% any the omunya ye you can't close the gap because amambo no and yes just one region amambo no 16 regions na so what to be the dollar waka ho asem every 4 now they cost 17. Na still opese amount for tomawa. Na say ube no yehu bi da. Nti ahokekani e kan ayi ukase unisika sika ni ubotoma yesi free SHS. Ukase okwanya yesi free SHS. Ukase sebi dollar no akodru 17 yesi free SHS. We mistake kra na ukoka asembia eye da ho a hawa yesi we NDC ni Nti Ghana for sebi ye tie sa atem didi ye tie sa nkomo we nya say okay. And then so beto ya ba ma hwan NDC because ahokyere na ye wo mu no ɛyɛ wɔn sɛ NDC for pɛ ɛna te sa ahokyere na se.
Okay.
Yes. Nti de di kan ɔman he me ba ya no pɛ ya me bɛda Nyankopɔn ase. Me bɛda Ashanti region Asante Mayase. Sɛ ɔma hyɛ NDC and monyam kɛseɛ. Ɛde akɔ over 30% and I'm 33%. Omasaya Mayen between 4 to 5 additional seats in Parliament.
We're looking at about 9 seats to 10.
Correct. Ɛde akyɛ NDC. Ɛbɔ mbɛhyɛ na yɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ so asoma Asante-Man. Yɛbɛkɔ so ayɛ dwumaden ama nkɔsoɔ a ɛfata aba Asante-Man mu. Nti ɛnɛ deɛ menkasa bebree.
Will be judged apagya placards as will be show you airport. No, mommy. A time I make. Hey, you ever cast our actually?
I don't pay there. I said that kesiye.
Yes,
and the buy. Bepe bre na masayaba na ya twetwe nkomo. I be hwe dachi asem the Bible see in the future.
All right.
So change has come. So we have to explain to people what the change is going to be. Saromo to me edu ho aka ye ho. Na change no aboa ye nyina.
I want you to speak to your base. Na neetete ni ade ase ebufuo bi ni ade ewo emabrunom no. We NDC penny kase. Men kase we penny kra penny kase. Then I will catch on with titru Ghana for bebre 80. Na emabru no the youthful exuberance na wo momone wen no ama ebi mo ya ye niam bia hwe be wi ase no mo de omoji dimbone ne animbu asem na ebeto opani aye yi no so
say enra yeah National Communications Director Sami Jemfi or issue statement e fasa ade no ho no kra wo ho ne say ukosai abanya dia na wo say wa de na me de ya na ayem hye kakra wo mu ye say uhu ba bi ti say electoral commission no na wo mu hye no crimes have been committed in this process. Anunti ukoshia na wo yi evidence na yeden every ho. Inti ma wo nye bibia de betimi ma ya chi nipa o medi insemoni no. O betimi yeden akọ scot free. O ma hene ene obia wo Ghana card, Ghana he obia fingerprint. Inti wonim na wakọ tom print ballot paper 1 2 3 4 5 times it's a crime. Into ukoshi ballot papers ya no tamprint and put into the ballot box a better ya chinipa no. A better ya chinipa no. Ti omunya abutre. Tumi eni de Nyankopon de amaye. Omukosroba former NDC ebesomo. Omunya abutre na and your Presidential Transition Act. Say President Mahama
starting tomorrow.
Yes. I announced say only President Akufo-Addo edin komo. Nti ebehye ase ochina. Nyeman bia e wosi ye bia nyeman si ehwemu bia no ebenya abotre ne aye den ne ahwemu. And oral na ye kai no operation recover all loot no. Nobody will escape the justice that Ghana deserves. Nobody.
Bia fa Ghana peso bia.
I was so deba because he can't nya odia.
You making that emphatic.
Yes. Sure. Say NDC yam fasa operation recover all loot no serious. A better than your appointees no would take anti-corruption seriously. On particular and until we will start from the people who have just left office to hold them to account, to demonstrate to our people. Once we mistake, you'll be held to account. Ghana bre, yen to me nye chrono no. What basa obesuma President Mahama said wakan. Brana besum na sumu mai. Embasa uba baimu ba bede ababe pesika. Because se credit skebi no wakwa kope. Asa.
Era kwame wada kuna oti se de hwe nkomodo. Oso de and asie and buy. Na me doctor bejetwe enkomo na bibia koso sesia Asante Mawura de asem ema nana
Ghana for penny adwuma.
Ghana for the omo penny adwuma.
Ye penny Ghana for penny adwuma.
Ghana for the omo penny adwuma.
Ye penny ayahwe.
Omo pe ayahwe.
Ye penny nkoswo.
Ye pe nkoswo.
Enu a na everywhere.
Enu a na Ghana for mu.
Ye tro aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen. Obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV company mfo no ko dwan ma ama ko ka kire nsa aba ne de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
So we na bi ka ko gina TV3 kan. Se ko ma na ka kire nsa de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
Na asa ko na do so ka kire nsa te kom ne abufuo so no so ba no anya de kom ne abufuo be sa to ti ano.
Kan kire na do so ba na so wan hwe ni ye kom ne abufuo no ye de pam ma no. Embi na de pam.
Wo ho nim de.
Sunfo Judi also wo hu nim de.
De wadre wo mpesika ye hwebio.
De wadre wo bo bread de wo mpesika de aye hwe.
Enti se kun hu na ye adwuma ne ye.
Nse wa ba kun hu for do Ghana hu da wo no. Fa ye adwuma na bo Ghana fo.
Edin de Ghana fo pa ne adwuma.
Ghana fo de mo pa ne adwuma.
Ye pa ne ayarhwe.
De mo pa ayarhwe.
Ye pa ne nkoswo.
Ye pa nkoswo.
Enu a na everywhere.
Enu a na Ghana for mu.
Ye tro aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen. Obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV company mfo no ko dwan ma ama ko ka kire nsa aba ne de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
So we na bi ka ko gina TV3 kan. Se ko ma na ka kire nsa de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
Na asa ko na do so ka kire nsa te kom ne abufuo so no so ba no anya de kom ne abufuo be sa to ti ano.
Kan kire na do so ba na so wan hwe ni ye kom ne abufuo no ye de pam ma no. Embi na de pam.
Wo ho nim de.
Sunfo Judi also wo hu nim de.
De wadre wo mpesika ye hwebio.
De wadre wo bo bread de wo mpesika de aye hwe.
Enti se kun hu na ye adwuma ne ye.
Nse wa ba kun hu for do Ghana hu da wo no. Fa ye adwuma na bo Ghana fo.
Edin de Ghana fo pa ne adwuma.
Ghana fo de mo pa ne adwuma.
Ye pa ne ayarhwe.
De mo pa ayarhwe.
Ye pa ne nkoswo.
Ye pa nkoswo.
Enu a na everywhere.
Enu a na Ghana for mu.
Ye tro aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen. Obi gina TV3 so wo ka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV company mfo no ko dwan ma ama ko ka kire nsa aba ne de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
So we na bi ka ko gina TV3 kan. Se ko ma na ka kire nsa de kom ne abufuo na to ye.
Na asa ko na do so ka kire nsa te kom ne abufuo so no so ba no anya de kom ne abufuo be sa to ti ano.
Kan kire na do so ba na so wan hwe ni ye kom ne abufuo no ye de pam ma no. Embi na de pam.
Wo ho nim de.
Sunfo Judi also wo hu nim de.
De wadre wo mpesika ye hwebio.
De wadre wo bo bread de wo mpesika de aye hwe.
Enti se kun hu na ye adwuma ne ye.
Nse wa ba kun hu for do Ghana hu da wo no. Fa ye.
Okay. Asantemera. O D4. Preocupe. O say Ghana for eka se mo ka kanche mahama se enye so ono omo tan no o ye Ghana ni de mo omo de ekom ene ani bre ene to abantia no this election Ghana for the ekom ani bre ne abufuo eja oba ne hon konkro ne to abantia no this time Ghana for the abufuo ka ho eja abufuo no ne wo mo mankoto no ena wo mo a wo mo de ekom ne ani bre nso tutia no abufuo no ene wo mo mankoto kra no. You see, when sometimes you are in power and you drink the power bitters, it blocks your mind and it blocks your view. It is a new pampo. The kai we sat here say, how do you bring e-levy? How? If you go into the books of MPP government, betting tax and e-levy, amo musika bia kebetimi amo man anya ni hu bia. So what was the essence of it? Pardon, a certain person fee say me de ba to umpo ya ba, damn the consequence, get out. Uko university campus sir for saying in be the agents omo weni da university campus Saint Legon campus, Debbie. They will push, but omo men honkra. This time around, now omo interview Ababa Wabi. I say, me, I'm a Tescon. But we cannot afford to go with this nonsense. The landlady used the word nonsense. The arrogance and the power drunk was too much. It got to a time near Timmy Koye campaign or campus. A TESCON member, Ejna TV Soka say, we have voted against our own to teach them a lesson. In 2016, esi Fuseni Muntem. Ghana for you know be na ada ya na HS be do aye duabara. Ana ya na do aye magic biana. Your base is Ashanti. Now we chere flower pot interchange. Now we chere Obechebelamte Tema phase 2 interchange Pokwase etata so to say ayi ohini bi abomu amanko kama manko nyasem ohini bi abomu etise ne ayi wakwa afuom no aye akadwe na watwi gontomire a wobedi etaso no ahwe ngu aguso na swami anwene ne se na Ghana for sere na Kumasi for eni agye na omo sere mutumi soma Ghana Revenue Authority for no musi edum enkrofo epna no o etade a na omo tike omo si na we dey free ye ne aye dem omo si ye tax so me magazine e na abono omo si yo mutumi nyi ne ma free port na wasa ko yie kra no na masa ma obi akosia wo mo ewo Kubase Anian Kwanta Okoyi Fritakrade. No, custom officers were harassing businessmen in Ashanti region. As if so my bonnet. The same person now so koi niama or the kwabu so kai free or the tamamoto were free. Custom officer be Musano, but Ashanti region. Moamudim businessmen enemo trasi. Ewo them golden tulip conferences baby. I was there. Almost you are killing our business. Over yata konkran no asake ka efu a kire omo say Kumasi kra na anti attacks sasam na kan no fi say anhye omo Ashanti region kra na ye hwe ye pe omo mutu attacks to tell you say what you told them it was bunkum and twaddle and open bro for aba and you can go to hell and they said really obini black man no osu offend per 500 and then per 50 krontiminfa. He was the only bold person who pay about Mekai. But there were a silent majority of businessmen who kept quiet for fear of losing their businesses. They kept quiet. Sandy Pano unime doma oshawomo dependent. Dr. Adams wahe unim kwala eguni nasi na juma e4 ni bufu no kase mo bi angoto aba wan ebeto. Their base is Jedie. MPP mu base eye Jedie. And when you are fashioning out laws and this now, you should favor them. One few. And I feel I'm more introspection now. More friend for some meeting. Come we meeting 2 years ago. To me, September, Ghana phone in Asimra we and Pep was a change because you were majority. Even 137, Kranam per se, Modi a Japa deal, Esa Bogrem. And then Amoje. And that's why you so. How can a president leave a tattered party like this and go? You have left a tattered party. Jay Kufuor left this party for Nanado. Utimi winning election because the first round you had 49. First time on the ballot. Nanado nearly won. Now got 23,000 votes. 49%. The Uja chairman on 41. Ashanti region 64%. 64. What to be that? How we have a case day. So now all the commissioning you did, thank you. Why you Juma? And so o party no o guno. No krena make catch party no acquire to say my way am to say CPP no. So my money am there. Because my terminum 185 to 189 members of parliament na NDC anyano. Magia kramu timi 50. The next election, mutime 53 or months go. They are in power. They will go to constituency and work. Dr. Adams.
Why?
Share we are for saying in Dr. Boa and Susunin Comona, Yempeja and free Hakra, and I'm sorry, corner. I hear like a cardiac camp. Dog,
my dear, you know this. As from you know, tell me, I'm doing
yeah, and now, Mr. Mekache Fuseni, talk to your people.
Yes.
Now, Munya, the Omuya no Krana. One here, you will lose 2028 election from this. Ghanaians are, don't joke with their peace. Ya to abawie ebufo ne ade a shebi mu amopese mu attack even private properties amopese mu bowra ho. What for? Looting and other things. Oh, yes sir. The Obama first time no. Onim NDC. It's why we are all be depict and say na NDC here. Meanwhile it's not like that. What is all this? Omampani akasa. President elect your mama say munyai na adwuma dan anim no eso chen de moye no muntie na supreme because now JDM is it's your leader. He has spoken. He's the president elect. January 7th only Omampani and our Martin Dean supreme leader. I'm so afraid bibia. Dr. Nkasa
eno de ehun hia pa o ye abano ya to mamu ebi nsi da. Enough. But coming all the way from Abu to Bantama to jubilate. So, we are not assumed, you know.
Yes, Romo. Now, Ahumachimi Bana traffic. Bantama Main Street. And no jubilation.
Yeah.
Podium no Musiana. You do two. Meaning, so much to dear. Useni. Omom, we are mom go to frio. Miss Emo. Esana, more sash and professor before. Ghana for the Niger Amamu. Mamon show mabufu. Because on also so near my odi koye na juma or kwa juma. Na a whole Bantama street, yabo podium. Just all kon nwa ya ansa no makono. Enye Mr. Mo. Doctor, yanko enim.
Ama nti me de ehwana me de na onabo ha. Nchiano na me ma on.
Ya kola boni bi adwuma ayo kroma special forces. Edi ademand no. Special forces.
Almost ba me de o my ya yin de sa na be yo power no they say ye nya ba o me consider ye na police flash say shift eco party office military assassin eco fight for eco bibia eco the power ni na o wi ni a power ni na wo so tell bia na so tim da ba wa fa na we say o man ni na e yes na ma trust and upon your fast never trade ample.
That's right.
Na you find some bibia wo hwa na ti wotie Sompa. I feel the aso. I feel I want for be the pa do e bi so areho aka ho but
areho de ho nya se ho
aha be di bru nya pa.
Na Sunday sa cast sa sha kotoko kru ma dia any I'm doctor was so sitting. The Sunday has the sasha kotoko dia. And the bro na nyinya. This one to say that.
Honestly, what the move man want to. And say we now what you na wusu.
Doctor so we can want you. This Sunday. Say sasha mu kroma. Any bro na no. I am watching the mo ma. Yeah, Kumasi Teddy. But sights and sounds of that is beauty of life. They will rise up and come back. Now nobody gave your mama a dog chance. That is here.
Kulimon alay have fun. I did be a watcher here no.
You kind of Arabic say.
Kulimon alay have fun.
Kulimon alay have fun. Oh, I
did be a watcher here no.
Okay.
And I say we are the only constant thing in this world apart from God is change.
That's it's true. Change is constant.
Yes,
it keeps changing.
Yes. And the power be about change.
All right, look here in come on.
I first say I did come for ya did here home. So last week I can if you be I did abano. I did check clothes.
Clothes away. Doc Semba.
Yes, and I did check cholesterol also. Now yeah, you soon say for a week now. Who he say yeah. Many crank the entire period of Xmas no come you for a diet on kwa. Because man for the near be a year or two or make me stroke no bebrebe bebrebe o hwe de moja na aye no ebi moja aye how ada moja no aye too thicker circulation timi nko yie and how a clot wo moja
so na mo den
yes and how sadie
e tata ni veins
bebrebe no
cholesterol
so go for ni na no so say we living life no or koswa in a year's time no with a stroke a lot of them and bebrebe no no diet me so my mental can for balance diet because we got to be say on the fruit as we can say me no
wow no
adu mo na de na America be 50 cities am top and 10 cities what 5 cities what dia me on to watermelon abrobe back 50 cities into the other into the balance diet na me say that
kwa adwa banku a set
what I say 50 cities what no dia me no to abrobe back 15 cities
watermelon back
30 cities enye
kube back 8 cities
onye what you know me hear balance diet per se but the abuse of a nyama bi aye no me say I have to call hinterlands no to ask kakra no if you want to consistently for about a year every supper fufu every supper
bu anwumere 8 o'clock obi ni fufu o ka o se wo de uni fufu ntino
every
me ni fufu
and now what time am da no so anytime we did na
odi 8 no at that time
digestion o ye dey ya incomplete
wo da ya so digestion seasons
yes it was see ana
na fu abon bone atua ho
ana ko so mo de life o
afro no
I was sussing that pa
ne bo
one was no
the tower good ko no bad jani chai
yeah one na say one kwa no na wo ham but no wo puba mo say e say no ma ko
yema so abon fu hu ka
but ni na ya nyoma
owo na nam ho
sade na de ba ho in the near future no e dey stroke be bro until the first idea make ho asem ye canned meat yes and now already meat so and I'm biblianwa but na bi won ma wo yi ya wetin ma we sardine bia
sardine
yes and chana
mackerel
very good no bibre sausage and so yeah another way yeah okoba bi omo yes anima na omo yam nam fresh sardine oh and as I say man for pesade no pa indomie for no omo di indomie no obia be ya indomie ana sardine bi o kusia omo tete kusia na fra na wa tete kusia na bi akoso sardine bi wo asa sausage
vegetables kakra na sausage
wo kakra na asa ko twa boti nam asa da fra o ma ye ati nyina protein bebre ko ye nyina wi
ye hianam
da bi ye hia protein bebre we need energy
ni benya o
carbohydrate to say amo by yes animal no the enough fruit na ma fructose bebre ni na support o glucose level no
tenam
ye hia
at age be 30 kono
da bi akwala na hia nam no the body the muscles
na ma ko hwe papa aduane enam egusu na se ma na ekuyan
yes one obo akohoma
aponchi dua ina bu jamba
yes oh na dia na nwa kwai wo mo a mo request for enquire ni sade no
o say madam enquire we say
yes
fa igu ani
sade bi ngu ani
to be dia wie na ha nyina
ade da sade
na say ne wo ha da no sa na akoda wo ye mo
o ma me say woko a glass o mo the knife and a rare sade no or the knife no we ansa na sade na da nta no at the telephone or the seminar ni so hie
asa ho no
na onsa ho ni so do na call yafunu mu ene nipadua mu ndie na
akoda
this all the start of video so sisi mo say stadium na ta ha bebre na mo jana yetum jina ha na free cloth no de mo sa nti wonu aka sa o fili wo de mo say o to la bia o na nya na nse wa say ni ho say ni titi the night titi because na no fa na nimfa
wa na no timi poa na ejai
but I can start to obako asa bia na ka yehu sa bi o ma mo nya more cholesterol hwe wade die ye no no nza na brodan obi tu na rapi mo sa
o just back kala fa
o se cloth so senti we mu moja ɛne mframa ba ha no so ate
Eswati.
na ama nam nes na ba to o se kina be movie na mo jina ba na aye okay but you say on Sunday had the sha eye palma wo
e ko hyewa akoma ho
very good a shark money mu a mo je ba akoma no mu no
It's easy.
congestive heart failure
bu sisi ya
e ko sha adwene mu pe infection
Brain.
and you go for money to be no thrombosis infection of the brain moja be a ball to na ko adwene and a cause of obstruction of blood flow to the brain no
oxygen CZ na ne fanto for radio mu emobo
it's any man ma say hwe no fifi no ma enchene kan ane kan
ya say gobe be kunye o because gobe ya de nchene ene kan na ya no ama na ya mre
nti ko ma me for no munum gobe ye pa na o de jeni and no beans na e ma na
ma me for no munim gobe ye no
o de jeni
omo fa enchene ne kan omo de jeni
and no gobe beans
but em say kan no omo jai but still e bi ye
e mantin ye de sa ne ma no
e kan no
yes
ene nchene
e mantin ye de
organize nchene enye ma ye ho
omo the only ade o what ma e ma ya sodium no na ma mazos no atimi aye adwuma ye ebi ni mu a contraction mazos
nti ye ni nchene pi
ye ni bebre
obo so a aduane ne besiwa no o sanchene
o my bread unta etimo ba pan o etimo ba
pano
biscuit etimo ba enema bebre aye di no sardines and
confectionaries no
bebre so ko di magi na dem se ka ho a uku ko no enchire ho a na tiche na nyafra na wa sade enchire papa no bi akoto eti enche constriction of the blood vessel ntino na ye den afi mo jare flow ye
doko ko adu me bia etete wa na yesesro
o ma ntira ka no enema we
se o saso onimade na wo ka no ena ade na wo kire no so ye so factual and so ready it is
ye kan say sa ma no pa pa wa no wa de beans ye no beans say o pa so ki beans be wana na no a enfa bia enfa gine kwantu we did 30 minutes na ben but ye so ki ye yan bebrebe ni ade kan no gum e kan no na ade force ahono beans no enti je say heat na ben no mara me kan de ono aye ofie no de gene no a na ono no o ha bia nim o de enchine batu beans ni no de kan no asai ano a na fe makoni ni ade ya chiso ni nyina no
mo ma wasa de magi kura frama
so mo a omo wi kobi no hwenchine ewo kobi mu
kobi
hwenchine ewo kobi mu o de to no ma hwenchine do a wo so wo di komu unti no ta mo kan mo so fi asase ye de sade da unti mu a eye chese enti be de
sade ne dem
yes ko I know the word
ye de dia obetimi
obende enti no say elastic ti o ma hene fu fi ba ma so wa ile no de ka afu anu ma na enti no mo bi na blood ne kwa na fe akame da akoma no se sade e dem na unti enti mi ma no ye mo odu ne na sade no o ye sa so na sade ba ye din a o pa try say akoma na stop ya obi ani try de bi o ye sa ko ha ne ha o pantas wo ya anu akoma no e be sizi cause mo jana wo akoma no na do so my de make say afia so no yan hwe de de yi me say fruit nyeri nya na no boarding anka auto anka 5 say mutuna ba bia 2 na 3 we got enough vitamin C wo
omutu watermelon for na de so mti
I know they say dey ne boy dey and they open ya dey nka omo yitwa no
na kwadu so e
ano so ye na
na
use on the yes vitamin C na ya omo nyabu do dey ka at least bo modern say in a week no o dey mean kase dey bia
na leaves na
oh and look
carrots
excellent o skin na o man on me tablet say be o skin be kama e say o muntiri no na unless we get medications that iron so e say o muntiri no o pa the carrot every day o be na nice skin say
chucha carrots now we ne
kama
okay
so what I say but yes one ya hunti na o we say man
o chucha carrots
what I say ni haba na what da
cucumber kakra and leaves be lettuce be no the jene kakra be
we the jene kakra tum any human tin so adman mu so o the carrots na e go
na father best ni tu jawa be
so yeah here and I do the DNA and na hwe the moment I try to titi no say sade bia ba and I say tinu si and I say plot to be wom brand and check wo the enfama
that's right
na hwe how akoma no ye adwuma san mo nyina kuma san de wo atwuma
tachima
and I crowd so so yade bi a ha no oba betima ha ma number 0277
0277
00
00
1234
1234
0277
0277
00
00
1234 and 0241 36
73
49
0241 36 73 49. See, Arau Sharif, Yankupon, and here. So thank you so much, Doctor. Enjoy your day. Dr. Eric, Kwame Boa.
Yeah.
You didn't come on now. Present it. Moka beach there. Na MPP before we start to almost post mortem. Na yesu ya tena TV so ya di nkomo ya de. Na yesu ya hwe. The NDC and so their strategies and the kind of fast one. Winning such massive, unprecedented after Rawlings. Na mami chance free ho. Bimo due to reasons in tia MPP edin cho kase sei. Omuni ncho sei bida. Rawlings the time there. Because ye no free J for pencil bar. Ebi mo so asem ne say Baumia ontia se Ghana ha aba no brands anu anya obi ani wa di ni tiato a ballot paper so first timer when we Rollins free wa ko for kraba e no comprenu atamo si comprensa Ekufado comprensa. Your mama comprensa. Tibaumia or quencha. The party didn't be there. Because you don't put your head on the ballot paper for the first time in Ghana.
And win.
Na papa bijra. Say Dr. Uso Ansas Ubiana Oshiano no need komo. Okacha say na o doctor o Baumia or Abano wa bresa ya obi di Ghana so. Omrei. Ghana how see a mouth bre. Yeah, the abandoned bawa who sell bre because we are so warm na unya utimi yote. Obi about 12 reason do know. Doc mami tio.
Yo, me beba me da se. Eno kresa na se be kai a emra MPP for omo primaries no. Kennedy Japan ka sembi. O say MPP elusu way back
o say omulusu election no 2022
inti some mistake as a woman to abanoma Baumia na just say opposition na no moko na o party nim unyim de
e no
ana no moka enso ambansa anya adwuma but me hu say MPP for na ekukuru akonya no na omde che NDC for and the president Dramani Mahama the president elect never akonya akonya no yes say ye hwe ekwan a ye fa so di yi president Mahama firi ho nanka enim se anka MPP for benya adisuade bi afiri mu nanka omo de niema asisi na kwan so nanam so omo nka omo timi 8 na no mpese omo break no nka omo timi break but dru ba bi no na kwan say I don't know say to me no say unya ko dru ba bi a na asasi su waso se e kan asem kire wa bi a onti ni yie o na say onti o because niema na ekonyi na kire say in favor of mine no nipa na e wo man ni mu na in favor yen hwese CCI importers said any ekan wo mu kofa niema no ba yentimi nyi taxes bebre eni ade agu niema isu hwe almost every day na yeto petrol
and then 3 days to elections
and then the announcement to ndu kwa go do pump no we hwe na hu say yatu
me say 3 days to election yeto petrol
yes
3 days to election Wednesday
na me
feel from Wednesday
o my Ghana nipa na e wo man mu no ye yade mpo say we were saying it. Now you can't see a whole change. I didn't pay them say you pay MPP for us. Now you pay say MPP track with answer che. And in na you catch it home say. And your man echo MY.
Obia go back Canada.
Yes.
But the latter part, the final year Ghana for Kaumano Tombs, so realize.
So you who see a car empty.
After 2023, Ghanaians stop complaining.
Because you who see a car empty.
And no na kwaye bi mu say o as a name.
Things are where.
Ghana for dangerous.
And yes, a dangerous. Ya can't some yen yet or may after all. We your money here. A kayen.
Yena o yema.
Yena o yema. Inti wo ya hye ni efu se MY a hwe yi levy sika sen ana o man enyae betting tax sika sen youth na omo no isi omo nya adwuma nye isi ande omo de na so mkotena sa betting eyi na omo to omo chacha bi obenya kakra bi a ode akurufie onya etoma 10% pa ne yate o nti sani ma
wani na nya no kwa o yete 10 no aho transmission no 11
look at it
and sana 10%
yes.
no at you
because all withdraw 11 is better
it is so sa kwa ko yi a ntobu on ma so be transaction be for a 11 tisa
nti oh my Ghana edru baby no na ase ya bere
okay
but obeka no yentie okay yenka ya no ntum because e de ekokromoti ana ye de koto ye ema wo bae ehu mobo oba no so man dey sikete ayi so sika kokko so enso yenya ye ho kire nti sisi e de oba be yi afri nkwaso mu fine na waba na fi ye hwe se de enema ni siko na nka se de President Mahama ekwan ye fa so yi ndie na obi anim se President Mahama ndin zama bi
oh yes
if you say and some ye kai say de na ye nokure ni de ne nokure nya ye kai no na ye expect say enka MPP na nado eba be yi free sa ohaw nkwasom enumu nanso eduru ba bi no na akoye say o kasem bia yemfa eni ti say yen ne de wa ba say be hwe yen so be yi free nkwasom na ye hwe de odi ye kono afi enya ene ye obi tena so ene ye san kofa enko ye tia na
enra obi say America form X Ghana form X do Ghana ha call your ex
that is it
oh had man that is here exes no unya friend now be basis yeah I see it just the mantra is my ex it is all channel ex be wafe no a ni bo afu kra o de o ma pani mahamenti o friend now catch us oh masa that's why my pani mahama kra ya Ghana for ex wa ba anti so
oh that
that's on the lighter note anyway
ni speech no can be say all the politicians to take a cue from what has happened.
Yeah, it was a profound statement.
Yes.
And we pray that on also
someone come back and some now wakano.
Elijah no me wia de wakan no.
On sure say asem no wakano. Na na montuo bia otu no.
E be guide no.
Sa asem yo wakan. Anya sa ono so obefiri akodwa no so na the ordinary baba version na nine no. Eno so be nim guase ama no say dey because you see am who say about to me who say, oh my Ghana, you cannot take us for granted.
Complete.
Ye niate. Yet me dream, papa, anybody. Gone are the days na yetna wa betuaba, yes, sesika, esanchine, ne bontua, bentua ne ade, ne yede ma omumuni na muntu abama enye ene onipa na beji patobetu atia.
That's right.
Because Oshona sitting mo who say oni anidie ongoje 1,000 cedis and now 500 cedis no ongoto aba no enwie na onsan kotra na ABC enti no the air Kenya say politicians omufanya disua isi o mashase epushi blames omu nyina MPs o makasa
when omu twitwa omu ho aseka
na nado na omu
MPs o makasa omu say he should come out and apologize to the party
apologize say omu na amano omu apart so mo lusu
MPs o mo ko nyina
because edru baby you say finance minister MPs nyina majority of them
92
came together say yempel ma yinisi form na kofa foforo bra o say no ene enema na o ye ne emwa oman no nso say ono a eno nyina didimu ama party na yon popular eninti ama MPs ni nyina so ho ye hi de oye adwuma o de wanya adwuma ni ho ye hi nti ye kwa ye hwe yenim say anka ye kwa ye kohwe soro ba duru ho na eso no ma hwe
ko hase ho
no ko hwa emfifi no ana mo ko hwe eninti ya disua ema yen ya eti wo manim enne politicians a omo so ye ne wo mote ya so omo hunu se enne ye di tumi ema wo mo a omo hunu se de ye ba obukuta tumi ni miye na omo de be ya adwuma na aboa ye nyina me nya so mfaso na se kira se mimi kitam kakra na me de ye madwuma me so metimi di aye adwuma na menya bibi kakra ade akuta because ene omo ko China no ade bebre na ntimi nko biebo
egu a ose
omo nko because okwa eden because okwa a
tax edi be share tax edi
be good niema no so no ontimi ene koto ade ne ade chia ne atum koto ade ne ade chia ne atum taxes look at the rate currency rate said is and none say fro papa because as ye beto aba mu first ye ti hu say eso ate aba 14 40 then was it a magic internet say man betimasi
eno kwa share go for bufo kra
inti ye betimi
na I dey think because amientia if I want the dollar to come to 10 cedis I can do it but it will be just a knee jerk reaction.
Why?
What? Meaning say obetumi am dollar about 10 and o man crofo
asofa sa pim sabri na say woti ho say de tie na obetumi aye magic there. Why did you wait up to that time? Oh enti oman no baby ekoduru ye no na akoye say de say NDC for say we are now going to reset the nation. Na we no so enkoye say ye be reset na the reset na mfi
na ya ba na ye reset
this time no Ghanaians
the NDC do not have the luxury
no
of coming to tell Ghanaians say this say you
they should move straight away
tall order
na they say omo ye no omo nye na fe ye making comparisons nye the next 4 years they free say obabuaye no eno na Ghana for
Dr. Eric Buak, Central Investing, I want to send a Kumasi Campus. The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, 1992, Article 1, it said the sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare the powers of government are to be exercised in the manner and within the limits laid down in this Constitution. The sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare ye die and ye dimu and abain to me she on she say or the bayan to ya more minor. Fuzeni Akwaba. Congratulations.
To God be the glory.
Last 4 years, Marco Kodin. You've been young men on radio with me here, Marco Kodin, my idea, and some special, duties. Unkwana unim. Ashanti region, I saw on the special duties. Today we are not watching special duties out here. But congrats, my idea. I mean, you fought. Barring any hitch or irrespective of say or motoaba or mantoaba. To gain 33% and almost 10 seats in Ashanti region, I tell you, is a yeoman's job. Congratulations.
Why we thank God for His grace. Yeah, in fact, we've listened to a lot of things. Me ban up ya chairman anakwesi Eden Krama. Me say me fa we fidi kesi so. Chairman anakwesi wants this to go to all the parliamentary candidates, any all constituency chairman for say osre obi bia. Oma obia to me say uncle Loki assembly bia uncle Loki Nadmo office bia obia no kwan so yes ade no district commanders, regional commanders, police commanders amu all districts NDC ni bia obeyesa bia mo nche no chema nana kwezi so oma obia tumi se onkoko lock office biara uye DC uye coordinating director yewajuma ne mom won susu a sebi wo assembly bi wo nadmo office bi na wo su bokwa kosoa niam bi di aguka mu se wo de ko ba bi police fo so mu make sure say nipa no so mu beche no.
But yes, this is an order from the regional chairman.
This is an order for the regional chairman.
So Oma
parliamentary candidates bien who to me say obey invade any district assembly.
Okay.
So okoye bibia you can observe. So almost started so mu lutu niam bi afri wa report to the police.
Amamphobia start documents BD.
That is it. Where Juma is over reported to the police. Uni hu kwan say de safwa na credo boko akotutu bibia mu.
Okay.
Yesremo. Ghana for ena sebi ato abamaye. We have not taken over until 7th January that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will be sworn in.
Akufo-Addo is still the president.
Akufo-Addo is still the president.
NPP still rules.
NPP still rules. Yes, Ramo. Ghana for enyamaye no. Let's not spoil it. Yes, Ramo. If you go and loot anything, sebi adena uko lootu no. Ono susukura no office no. Obese da kwa shini yemani bi.
No,
they shall say,
it's possible.
Don't allow them to commit crimes in your name because of your behavior. Nad moniema egu hono, ebia we adudu na kugu ni fie. Ukofa ba ko pel so na abasisa 100 ni nyina. Yes remo. Let the law work. And the district police commanders, any station officers nyina no, please protect the properties of Ghana. That is the instruction.
Because comments that came from Sami Jemfi when we take over, we deal with Kenya, you know.
That was fake. Before God and man, those comments were some of them could have
no, but Sami Jemfi could have not been fake. He was angry. He did a press conference. We all listened.
That was when some people malhandled some of the people in Ayawasu Westworld.
I understand.
No, some of the videos were old videos. So.
I know old videos.
Our friends MPP were using it.
But and they true. But Okano previously. What is it say because of that and so about Omuhu?
No, I understand you. See,
the recent allegation against the commander here, and also about military for the baby.
Oh, and I make a say.
I
don't know if you followed up places like Mankranso. It wasn't civilians that were shooting. In fact, it wasn't even the police. It was the military.
Okay. Mankranso incident.
Yes, I was at the Dujama. I stayed there throughout the night.
I don't know how achieve votes.
That's actually fear I am a catcher star. Some of Kaifa John Mahama concerning the stadium in Timmy Manenko Parliament. So fear I am a mecano. You interviewed him that day. Namikacha says, sir, what do Nsako come with John Mahama? And when young on the Parliament. But that's on a lighter note.
All right.
But if we could talk about Robinson, if you see the armored cars, and then you go. Over 50 to 100 police were deployed to Drobonso alone. Are they? Who could do a Dujama Collation Center? 3 armored cars. Yes, sir. Normal armored car, you and the NBO. There were any boss one now, your machine will be. It got to a point the police commander has to assess. Listen, Moka who been attention about because the results were a bit close. There was around 1,400. So it drew one no one a lot of things can happen.
Oh yeah, the shenanigans and the machinations.
Obuasi East. Me say, I feel omi course and I feel masukurebu. Because the guy knew so we're winning with about 19 votes. But he was so scared the way the military were even intimidating himself on Bessa Sunday, you know. And I do 2 a.m.
Obuasi is for the 19 votes.
19. And I do 2 a.m. I had to.
Oh yes.
Me say.
Also, my say a simple majority.
Honorable Akon, we roaming the whole day. Such as said, Papa na bread. And I do 2 a.m. I had to wake Honorable Akon up again because Regional Chairman said, "Don't go. Call him. Call him." I said, "Boss, Honorable Akon said when you are bre also there be friend. We had to wake Honorable Akon up Masa Soroko Collation Center ho.
Anya sir.
Papa ne kasa kra na ye me mobom so me say boss, there read there. This election I became the enemy of almost all the regional executives because the work had to be done. In fact, mami more mabaso because ye jina omo konso. Almost a year Jumano. For the first time, every regional executive was working. Look at the last minute strategy by Abbas Nuruddin. He said, no, I said, Fusini don't go anymore. Afno, Kumase for my team voice, Amanache. So you know, I withdraw, Nedin Crown for Lubegum.
So that was the strategy.
Oh, Minia. So at 2 force in Bekachre, Kumasi for say, listen, so I'm interchange in the crown. Sikabia now I did you. Ya mark contract award. Ya share budget mu. Most people didn't know. You may be kind and common yindi. Because I'm propaganda. But the majority was a minority leader. Nakasa war parliaments idea no any budget be mu. Contract ben ye award day. Ye farmer contract. No see Afro contractor say oh brabe ye in sika ye de be ma. E no so or don't you or ye de be or ye. So it's a pre-financed project. Contractor na di sika ye. Yan shed them sika bia to say ye de yesu ame because Kumasi fusu yesu ye ne so ene ye nkoye bibimbri o mani so.
Samo.
Minia Gloria Huzi because say ye piano ko share new edu biase. Mami ya brese tena ho. Emma tena ho. Isham alasa ne nan kurabu. Ni nan mabu say pain. Yes. That should tell you the pressure ye dey to ebinum so. The special duties need there. Me, I was like the tormentor in chief. Frank Amakuni me echo all the 47 constituencies. We and myself pushing. Frank, Sako Edujama. Sako Yunehini. Me free one and say, boss, you have to go back. Frank has to go back to Obuasi, has to go back to Edujama, has to go back to my like that was all we were doing. Nana go see to me better best at 3 a.m. Adechiana, my friend Nana. You have to go to this place again. Masa, let's congratulate the regional executives.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my
No,
Osman, everybody.
Doctor, this will not show.
Yes. Yes.
To gain 33%.
It's not easy. You have actually worked.
Almost 10 seats.
And all the for the first time, parliamentary candidates, all those who won, they open from me, ask them what I did to them. Mitimi fra Zuma na ma body kamasa me den kola ko gu ho krona ko show mo oh honorable me hu sike nyina me se masa it has to be done eduru baby o say honorable dem misro e kan ye nchentua I remember Caesar of Minso North oh honorable I can only give you 2 rooms so me say nyahwe ma mo nya adwuma no and the result showed
yeah you did well
so in fact me for the cases, my regional executives and the parliamentary candidates, naturally, in fact, I tormented a lot of them, but then it paid off. Now, here does Santimaya say, we don't take this for granted at all. In fact, Omukra say, and try people for a chachre yenti. Sabi, Niema Huna Muya Yakamunti, Yanko Tua Banokran, Yedamasi.
So they gave the room for you.
Seriously. And my church Assemblies of God. Reverend JC, Ashanti East Regional Superintendent. Reverend George Ampofu, Ashanti North Regional Superintendent. And John Mahamad's best friend, Reverend Osu Bempa, Ashanti West Regional Superintendent. My Yamana Broso. Yamish Assemblies of God members in Ashanti Memu. Me say, dear ekumi kesepa ne say ye di John Mahama call Reverend Osu Bempa induction service
Ashanti region but you know Osu Bempa prophet no
there be we dey Yebra Penny Kofi Bempa me see members mami from penifo she that by me say bra enti papa ya so reba na mama ya ye ne bone sa no. So most of the Assemblies of God members felt say bone. So they needed to do restitution. And it showed in the elections. It showed vividly. Asofo a omo yi omo anim prophet 1 Ebenezer Adakwa Yado against all the attacks. Some of you, even the media men, you see, mumu binu mo ha, mu kan sem no, omo fremo behind the scenes, dimatem. We know all those things. You tell the truth, the next moment calls are coming. In fact, regional chairman Nyayanka, obefro obi biya da omase. Kejeti ama mo ye mane broso. Edum for particular, they were our campaign managers. Edum Bantama, Asafu Market, Aswansi Market. In fact, John Muhammad Damun Ramasi. But Sadiye Obie Kano is a lesson to all politicians. Say Sabi Yembre Huasi. The Ghanaian voter is becoming more and more sophisticated. So it is time we, the politicians, will learn. And like I said, Ghana needs John Mahama such a time as this.
Okay.
Because, seriously speaking, he has the experience. That is why transition is starting in 3 days.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
That's what
tomorrow. He promised that within 14 days, he'll be able to take his ministers. John Mahama knows his ministers before he was even campaigning. Say he wouldn't waste time. He would say, and then he's also the person obetimi a crack the whip now because one, he doesn't need favors from any party person. Say, so no blackmailing, no dictating to, but then he must do because this victory is just the doing of the Lord. Yes, Juma Dane, but Sabi. Onwanka sakra obeka say the margin there what say we dey nyamensa no
Mami nani mi homra here. Kevin, let's do a commercial break and then we come back.
ho dia make am for Dwabin Rural Bank PLC and Amedema wo Dwabin Rural Bank PLC ye savings account, current account, Dachenti account, shares, microfinance, VIP cash collection services, sir, funeral loans, and our church harvest mobile for the na pese beji musika mamu. Eye ne betena pro ntiji musika mamu dia. Dwabin Rural Bank PLC and American for Ediama wo. Yes, I fixed deposit, money transfers, social service, and na sika bia we de beto account mu ana ubeyi bia no. Yes, send SMS alert free. Na de me dekra de say Dwabin Rural Bank PLC ye bi e bank yi ye nya 40 years. Hooray! Na enam ye nwuma pa ene sompa ya som ye customers nti Chamber of Commerce amaya wo kese bia eye best rural bank of the year 2023 Dwabin Rural Bank PLC yen head office ewo Asante Dwabin yen branches ni bi ewo Ejoso Bonwire Abuaso Dwabin Pankrono Onwe Roman Hill Magazine New Road Sipetimpo Fumesa ene Adeshiman Fryer 0271409340 and 0579792712 Dwabin Rural Bank PLC. We are the best.
December to remember. Masidani Erade. Masidani. We annual Thanksgiving Liberty Conference. Omahini ya wedu watch. Eyebre. Onyame namne so eye anwodini bebre. Otun start the fresh food for thought adihye nyina. Any wumpa onyame namne nkyerɛkyerɛ so. Aye bibiama wo se. We eye yasida etwato. Liberty Conference December die. Ebeye Fanta Bruta. Yasemu ayekasa ho no. Ye free David enyom. Oha ene nson. Echichemu ba. Ye nyina ye krukyire yasida. Ne dia koma ochiredi ampom. Wamba se yado. Ewo Jubilee Park. December bosome. Nida etoso aduonu ba. Eye memene da anopa no sia pepepepepe. Ya jonto nie. Ye maame Esther Nyameche. Moses Oki. Minister Kwaku Jesi. Mama Esther. Minister Kwame Jedu. The resident worshiper. Na sadan. Ye beyi wonyame ya mosresa ne abefia sasia. Medrofo. Wuti fie ye de. Liberty Conference. When the chatwo ewo afie yi mu. Na hye. Onyame nam na ye Yesu. Wobechi wo bronsa. Wobebro no. Amane di nkuku ne nkaka. Akotena da braka. Wobetena wontumi ntua ne ka. Enani akyere mu otutu ka. Na onyame oye ka chiafo no. Onam sa akwanya iso. Betua ye ho aka nyina. Na hye ne so say we ye communion wine. Any breaking of bread. Direction. Liberty Conference December edition. Oh glory. Hallelujah.
Okay, we just about wrapping up. Let's do the birthdays quickly and then your final words. Then, happy birthday to Elder Godfrey Chumesiankra. Happy birthday to Anel Redua Pine of Pasokoria Sante. Your father William Pine and mother Sarah Animas Rebo, nurse at Ahmadiyya Muslim Hospital. And also such Abanaba Estate Department KM. Happy birthday to you all. Okay, your time no cry as well. More for machine into Sumami. But your machine. Also, election day, it was being like just a machine, no, a bit slow. Your friend say, BVR, no, biometric voters, you know. Sir, NDC for machine no more they count the pardon do ato. Etutu abani wi ano mamia. Eti e beto abana wi no. Omuni ni pardon do e beto ye. To di bi ko shema emfa. Doctor your final was here page ebuna. Happy before about lose God. Always see God. Doctor, in a minute now you page ebu.
Omai. Can say the can you yes. I was say you say ene yedi tumi mawa na wan hunu
social
or social. I was say e betumi ade so na ti say e kusua ati say kusua no wa hwe su yi abuhunu na afi nsem na ati atofom enya titofom so dia definitely bebo enya bon so dia na eka enti dia eka nyina say dia sie say MPP lose or mo lose so di afutuo now they should go to the round board and do their things well now if you almost NCC omnomra NDC for also ayade ebebo wamba so in fact say ye hwe ba bia na omo ensama ye ka efa President Mahama ho na Ghana for asa hu say yensan kofa no mra no na eyade papa say naba enti hwe say President Mahama nso ono zo ni Ghana for hwamo na de fata na ese no onso
Fuseni your final word.
I think say the regional chairman train untumi say obefre na congratulate no. So ka say obeye 47 me ka chen say ahwe 40 kura wonya e na abamu no ntimi sira no we de ahumbrase mu awre
obefre no
obefre na kwesi no congratulate no
straight
and so me twa no so na ye almost special duties
to Andy so no
congratulate me.
All right, we shall for it. We see na fancy Di Maria ebetrase na or the agudi on some na pamfu na the abrel. You have a wonderful day and stay